He'll be doing Tenor Fox's rap song. If you don't know what it is, it's a good song. This is not his, but I tried doing a video of his, but it was all glitchy and stuff, so I had to change it. So be sure to drop a thumbs up before we start. Like, subscribe. Subscribe if you're new for sure. So here we go. Let's get started. Let's go.
But now they see me at 100K and they fuck.
The whole time, this version, the other version.
Link in description. I got 20/20 vision. I don't need no prescription. Real STI with a carbon 5. Your girl wanna date me? Yeah, I bet she could. Track, don't let the beat go or I'ma have to bring it back. Feeling Matthew out here with a solid ass producer. Don't try pull up on me or you'll get a concussion. Just a non-explicit version of my OG verse. Your girl shop at TJ Maxx. Try and hit me up now, I'ma say bye. Waving my hands like two sides. This song going harder than Calvin Harris slide. Thanks for tuning in, I'ma have to hand this over. Lil Five coming in, he ain't with no Rover.
Yo, like, I haven't had sex with you, but like, she probably DM me or some shit, I don't know. Ha. Alright, yo. Lil Fox in his beat got tiny ass feet. When I hit a milli, on it on the dash, they pull me over. My car looked like a 4-leaf clover. Yo, I didn't get lucky, veggies are yucky. My mama took me in, I'm scared of the dark. I'm still looking for that Twitter mark.
Verified as us.
ABS, I'll take that hit, going 75, right off that cliff. Broken ankle, just hit that backflip. Don't go to school.
I don't know.
Launch control, we losing traction. Girl pants up my butt crack, that's an issue.
Don't do it.
Back with your ex.
Really miss you.
Hey, there's my car. Is it green or blue?
I don't know.
Talk too fast, coming back on this track. I'm hungry, need a snack. I'm white.
No, almost.
I mean, I got like 3,000 followers, so I don't really get many women hitting me up, but like, sometimes I tell a girl that works at Starbucks she's pretty and she puts a little smiley face next to my name on the cup, so you know, that's pretty
Hang
cool.
on, guys. Hang on a second. I gotta talk to my sister.
Oh, I know you get excited when I start to sing. I pull up in cars and probably make your girlfriend leave here with me. We got Tanner Fox and Dylan Squid. Oh man, this is crazy. I've been writing music every day. So lately, sit down, drinking coffee with the boys, man. We wrote this in white jeans, so they might be with it said, hey.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe. Go check out my Instagram. BOMERLEAU. All lowercase, and then no fox, and then 2007. No space, and then 2007. So see you guys in the next video. Bye. And a lot of my YouTube videos on my Instagram channel. So yeah, this will be on Instagram also. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.